Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how I did this beautiful glitter placement design. So let's start as always with the nail prep. First off, I'm gonna use wooden manicure stick to push back my cuticles. And when this is done, I can move on to the e-file and my cuticle bead. Now I'm gonna use these tiny scissors to cut off any of that dry skin. And then I'm gonna use my hand file to buff the surface of my nails. And this one is 240 grit, so it's safe. If you want to get this job done faster, you can also use an e-file with a sanding band. Now I can move on to the ball bit to smooth everything out. If you don't want to use e-file to remove the dry skin off of your nail plate, you can also use cuticle remover. It's gonna help to soften the skin up and then you can scrape it off. Whenever you're using it, make sure to clean it off really well. I'm gonna use alcohol to do so. Now we can move on to building the nail, and I'm gonna do it on nail forms. If you would like to see how I put them on, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss a full video on that whenever I post it. As always, I'm starting off with some primer before the base coat. Then I'm applying thin layer of base gel to every nail. After curing them for 60 seconds, we can move on to builder gel. When I have the general shape and length ready and cure, I can take off the nail forms. Now it's time for shaping and filing, and to me this is the most boring process to watch, so I tried to edit it for you guys. And as you can see, for today's design I decided to go for the square look. Now that my nails are shaped, I need to add more product to even out the surface of my nails, and also to create the structure. As you can see, the nail is even, but still a bit flat. So now I'm gonna use more fluid builder gel in a bottle to create the structure of the nail. The middle finger turned out a bit too thick, so I decided to file it off a bit more with a nail file. Now I decided it's time to add some color to my nails, and for this design I decided it's going to be pink. And this is how it looks after 2 coats of pink. For today's design I decided to go with this rose gold pinkish looking glitter, and I decided to pour it out so it's going to be easier for me to use. I need to give it something to stick to, so I'm applying thin layer of builder gel to my whole nail. And I'm gonna use pointy side of this wooden stick to pick up the glitter pieces. And one by one I place them on my fingernail and try to match the sides to create this beautiful pattern. This is how it looks. Now I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds to make sure that the glitter stays in place. Wherever the glitter sticks out a bit too much, I just cut it off. Now I need to encapsulate the pattern with good amount of builder gel. After curing, it's time to fix the shape, clean up around the cuticles and remove the bulkiness with the hand file. Now to remove the dust from my nail, I wipe it off with some alcohol. Now it's time for top coat. And this is how it looks. For the pointer finger I decided to do the same thing, but instead of covering the whole nail in glitter, I covered just the tip. And this is how they turned out. I love the way they look, so shiny and cute. Now all that's left to do is to add some cuticle oil. This is it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.